Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. In this video, I will explain the NPT Dynamics section of a LAMMPS input script. This stage is very important because it allows the simulation box and the density of the system to adjust naturally under the desired temperature and pressure before the production run. So we typically perform this NPT Dynamics and NPT Dynamics before our production run, and here is the input tags for doing this NPT Dynamics. So the very first tag is log NPT. So this command creates a log file named as log.npt. All simulation information including thermodynamic data, warnings and performance statistics will be written into this file. After that, we have a fixed TP stat all NPT temperature at two temperature values, 200 ISO, then two pressure values, then 2000. So what is the meaning of this important part? I am going to discuss next. Before that, let me also search the tag here. So I am searching here simply fix NPT. And if you can check here, you will get the similar kind of examples that are also available in the LAMMPS documentation. So what is the meaning of the entire line? The word TP start is simply the name assigned to the fix. If you also want, you can also provide any other name, or you may use some number depending on the number of fix that you have in your system. Then this all is representing the thermostat and barostats are applied to all the atoms in the simulation. Then the NPT, this NPT is the NPT ensemble that keeps the number of atoms, pressure and temperature constant. Unlike NVT, the simulation box here is allowed to expand or contract to maintain the target pressure. In NVT, what we typically do, like we make the number of atoms, volume and the temperature to constant, but here as our pressure, we have to fix the pressure, that's why the volume is allowed to change. Further, this temperature, both these values are representing, one is the initial target temperature and the second one is the final target temperature, and here this 200 is the temperature damping parameter. So here the system is maintained at a constant temperature. Since the starting and ending temperature are the same, the simulation runs isothermally. The value 200 here represents the thermostat damping parameter, which controls how quickly the temperature relaxes towards the target value. So this 200 will allow us to reach our target value by setting this temperature to this much, to any desired value. Further, this ISO, then P bar 2000 is suggesting that the keyword ISO means isotropic pressure coupling, you may say. Then the pressure is controlled equally in the X, Y and Z direction, allowing the simulation box to change its size uniformly. So this ISO value, like this word ISO will help us to change the size of the simulation box. And here also this P bar is also initial pressure, then this one is the final pressure, and this 2000 is nothing but the pressure damping parameter. Similar to here, as we have provided 200 for the temperature damping, this one is the pressure damping parameter. So the pressure damping parameter is larger than, as we can see, like it is larger than the temperature damping parameter because pressure fluctuation occurs more slowly. So this gives the simulation box enough time to adjust smoothly without creating any instabilities. Fine. And now next line is thermo 10,000. So this particular command will tell that LAMMPS will print thermodynamic information in every 10,000 time steps. So printing less frequently reduces the file size and also still allowing us to monitor the equilibrium. So we just want to check how the equilibrium and like how the things in the equilibrium are varying and what is happening, what kind of changes it is changes are occurring with this NPT Dynamics. That if you want to see, you can provide this thermo. You can also change this thermo number if you want to see very frequent listing of all the parameters that are evolving. Further is this this thermo style is here given as custom step, temperature, pressure, volume and density. So before explaining this line, I would also like to do the same thing. I can search it here. This one is thermo style. So here the thermostyle command is also present, so various arguments are also available, you can check here. And we have simply given this thermo and the style as custom, like you may see that the custom like here the styles are available like one, multi, YAML and custom. So here we have provided the style as custom. Further we have provided the arguments like step, temperature, pressure, volume and density. So here the step means the current MD step. So this step, it will print the current MD step wherever it is running. Then the temperature is the instantaneous temperature which is changing during the course. Then the pressure, that is the instantaneous pressure. Then the volume, simulation box volume, and then the density is the system density. So these quantities help us monitor whether the system has reached equilibrium. During NPT equilibration, the volume density usually change. So until the desired pressure is achieved, we will get different values for all these parameters. Now next step is simply running the simulation. So for that we have used this tag that is run 500,000 such steps. Like what it will do, this command runs molecular dynamics for 500,000 time steps. If the time step is 1 femtosecond, this corresponds to a total simulation time of 500 picoseconds. And also the appropriate simulation length depends on how long the system takes to reach equilibrium. So if you have understood completely your system, then according to that you can provide your run statement, like you can provide how much time steps you actually want to run this NPT Dynamics. Further, like as we have fixed this NPT ensemble, now it's time to unfix. So we have used this unfix TP start. So once the NPT equilibration is complete, the thermostat and barostats are removed using the unfix command. This prepare the system for the next stage of the simulation, such as NPT equilibration or any kind of production run. So so this is the particular NPT Dynamics, and this is what like these are the tags that we typically use in the NPT Dynamics. And now just to summarize, this section performs the NPT equilibration by maintaining the desired temperature and pressure while allowing the simulation box volume to adjust. And during this stage the system reaches its equilibrium density and pressure, providing a well equilibrated starting point for the subsequent molecular dynamics simulation. So as I said, after this you may also perform NBT, or you can also go for your production run. So this is how it happens. And that's all for today. And yeah, thank you all and bye bye.